the bun?
Yes, you can.
This is the elevator at Dillar's at some East Bridge Mall, I think.
Westfield?
Westfield. These are each
It says East Ridge, but we're at Westfield.
We're in what? This is the elevator at
Westfield Mall.
Dillard's Westfield Mall in North Carolina.
What's the city? Gastonia.
Gastonia,
What's the
North
city?
Carolina. Gastonia, North Carolina. Here it comes. I know why. What kind of elevator is this?
I don't know. Find out.
What? Just close. One. It kind of look like Montgomery County, I'm not sure. Phone. Hi. Here's a certificate. It's a slow elevator, I think. 2. Store cab view. Just a basic Montgomery County elevator. Their fixtures, aviation fixtures. It says international elevator. I don't recall. It might have an international elevator, but my eyes by Montgomery County. I see the bell works. No, it does not. We'll close up, and there it goes.